We're out for a little midweeker on the KTM. Oh my lord. And I need to get used to it again. I've been playing around with the suspension settings on everything really, and not sure I like these changes, I'll be perfectly honest about. It's made the front kind of unpredictable, we'll say, but we'll see. We'll see how we get on. That's more like it. So anyway, we're on a little midweeker. We'll see how we go. As I say, been playing around the suspension, trying to make things just maybe a little bit softer on this bike to help with the sort of slower, more technical stuff I like doing. So yeah, okay, tried a hill climb a second ago that did not feel nice, so I've backed out some of the high speed compression. That feels nicer. I tell you, suspension. Oh my god, this place is so overgrown. Happens this time of year every year though, I suppose. I think I might have missed the old exit. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh, I can already tell. Oh, wasn't too bad. Pretty happy with the turn in, it feels sharper. Gonna start heading towards the more technical rock sections and see how it feels up there. I can't see much of anything. Damn. Ah, this is crazy. don't even know if I'm going the right way. Bloody ferns. This sucks. It's too much. Can't see these hidden rocks. Okay, let's see how we get on with the slow tech. I'm hoping, although I think I might be hoping getting distracted. I'm hoping that I'm not going to be facing the sun as I'm trying to do this, but I don't think that's going to be the case. Okay, front was deflecting a bit there and threw me off, so I've just lowered the compression 2 clicks. It was slow, but I'm actually pretty proud that I managed to do all of that on the bike. And then I go full pelt into a fucking tree. God damn it. Left line's the one. Nice, Jay. No! Oh, you should have stayed on the bike. There you go, just hitting tree stumps, completely hidden. The gorse is so dodgy. Anyway, we got up that relatively decently. It's a very technical section for a novice like myself, so I'm always happy when I do it relatively okay. Seeing how the old suspension, oh my god. Click. Let's see if this feels better. It actually might. You guys tell me. Does it look better? Oh yeah. I definitely think that's better anyway. Nice. It's enough playing around, I think. Getting hungry, getting late. Meant to go left. Yeah, buddy. Forgot about that. And remember, oh Jesus, there's a big rock that sticks out of the grass and you've nearly broken your foot on it a few times. Where is it, the little bastard? There he is. Little fuck. Ah, that was a deadly old spin. Listen, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Hope you liked it. Let me know what you think of the video too. Constructive criticism and all that, if you want to see something different. Anyway, cheers, catch you on the next one. Good luck to you.